Hello! Today I will draw a black dog's face using about 2 brushes and the smudge tool in Procreate. Even if you don't know all of the functions in Procreate, you can draw well enough to be happy with your art. If you learn the functions little by little every day, the speed and the result of your work will improve. But it can be boring waiting to learn everything in Procreate. I want to show you with just a few Procreate functions, you can create art. I used the cartoon brushes downloaded from a Procreate website and airbrush from the basic brush. I also use the smudge tool often. Please watch my work and you can try.